you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Maureen, and as you can tell by the title of today's video, this is a little travel vlog, South Carolina, specifically to Charleston. This is my first time I've ever been in Charleston, which I'm excited. I'm excited to learn more about the history in southern states. I really haven't spent a whole lot of time in the southern states other than Florida. That's obviously the exception for me since I live there, but I'm really excited for this trip. So today was my first full day, and it's gonna be the only day that we're really here. We came in last night, kind of later than we anticipated since we drove here, but it took several hours longer than we thought it would. So as you've seen throughout the video so far, we came in, we're at the Hotel Bennett, which we really love. I'll show you guys more clips from that as we go, but we went to the Gabrielle for dinner, which was really lovely, and then just went to bed, so we were pretty tired. Today we did a walking tour of Charleston, so that was really fun. So I love like walking tours and the history, and it's a really good way to get your bearing of a place you've never been to before, since I've never been to Charleston, but also learn the history and just see so many different places in a short period of time, which I really loved. And I got to see pretty much every place I wanted to see on that walking tour. I'll link like who I use down below if you guys are interested. No, it's not sponsored or anything like that, paid with my own money, but it was a really good tour. So if you're ever interested in coming to Charleston, I highly recommend doing a walking tour with them. So that was really great. And then since we're staying at the Hotel Bennett, which is on King Street, we went up and down King Street today and did some shopping after the tour. I tried to get as many shots as I possibly could today, but today has actually been a pretty rainy and cold day. It was of course the only day this week that's gonna be like that, and that was our only full day here, but it was still really fun. It really wasn't that bad or anything. It was still nice on the tour and things like that, so I'm really glad we did that. I learned a lot on the tour. It's a very fascinating place, the Carolinas, because it's part of the original 13 colonies, and of course just the complex history that surrounds South Carolina and Charleston specifically. So I'm glad I went on it. It was a lot of good information and a great way to kind of get my bearings of the area. So now it is later on in the day to bar taco for lunch, and then we've kind of been at the hotel for a little bit as it's been raining a little bit more off and on. We freshened up and now we're gonna head over to Magnolia's. What I really like about the Hotel Bennett that we chose, one, it's a really lovely place, but also it's pretty centrally located and it's pretty easy to get around everywhere. So we've been doing a lot of walking and it hasn't felt like anything too crazy, so that's been really fun. And of course I did some shopping on King Street since that's kind of what the area is known for. So I'll do a separate video on what I purchased through that, but I thought I would take you along for the rest of the evening and then what we'll do tomorrow. Guys, so we're gonna wrap this video up because we're gonna be heading out soon to another city here in the south. I'll give you a hint, it's another historic city, so leave your guesses down below and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on my content. So we'll kind of do a little wrap up of kind of what we did on our full day here. So we actually accomplished a lot. We went to the four corners of Meeting and Broad Street, so the four laws. We saw Rainbow Row, we went to the French Quarter, we saw East Bay Street, we saw the Battery, we could see Fort Sumter from where we were, we went to the waterfront park, we saw the city market, we shopped on King Street, and we did a whole lot more than that. So I would say we accomplished a lot in the very short time that we were here, and I hope to come back in the future and explore even more. I'm just gonna sign off here. I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Please make sure to like this video and comment down below, like I said, where do you think we're going next, and make sure you subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.